So today is another special vlog. Ours is salmon. Okay, ready? Itong pupuntahan kong restaurant. Imagine, 10-course meal yan. And then, the main reason is the chef is a very special person in my life. None other than Judy Ann Santos. Yes! As you know, we're coming from the north. So, medyo mahaba-habang biyahe ito. Going to Westgate, Alabang branch of Angridobo. By the way, hindi ako kumain. Hindi naman. Breakfast naman ako. Pero, I skipped lunch so that I have really my appetite is really excited. Excited na ako talaga. Nandito na tayo sa Alabang.
Angry Adobo. Saan po ang parking? Ano po kami?
Yes, nakapag-park din. So, this is it! This is Westgate. At sa panahon na mahirap mag-park, ang bait mo, tinulungan mo kami. Thank you. Sige, papunta kami ngayon kay Miss Judy Ann, Angridobo. Thank you sa'yo. Ano pangalan mo?
Jerwin Nicolas po.
Mabait ka. Ayun, doon. Hello po. Hello. Welcome to Westgate. There it is. There it is. Hello. Hello. Boom! Huli ka! Yay! Na-experience na natin ang
Idol. Hello po. Hello.
Thank you for giving me this
Of
time.
course, madam, my pleasure.
Pagkatapos mo tumakbo ng tumakbo, pagkatapos mo...
Deserve natin kumain ng masarap. Ayun na nga.
Ang ganda ng mo.
Ay, umaba na po. Hindi ko na pinagupit. Ano sa tingin niyo? Pahabain ko ba o pagupit ko ba?
Siguro, huwag masyadong mahaba.
Pinag-usapan yung buhok. Bakit?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Ang ganda ng shape mo ngayon. Hindi ka
Bakit ganun
payat.
yung shape na... Ang ganda ng shape mo ngayon. Pa-caterpillar.
Oh, gusto ko lang kasi talagang makasama yung mga nagbigay ng kulay sa 2025.
Ay, wow. Isa ako doon. Grabe naman.
Yes.
Thank you naman, madam.
Isa ka sa mga very talented actresses na nakasama
Talaga nga naman.
in this very successful
Yes!
Netflix.
Thank
Yes.
you so much, dear
movie.
Chris, for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Kontrabida Academy.
Let's go.
At siya ang pumalit sa role
Ni kanino na naman?
ng aking seductive
Daughter.
seductive dog.
Nai-TikTok na natin.
Lady TikTok na. Hello! Oh my God!
Chico!
Yes.
Oh my God.
Hello, Sunny.
Sunny po.
Sunny, I know. We're so excited.
Yes! Nakarating.
2 days na kami hindi kumakain.
Ay, grabe to.
Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Sige, asikasuhin mo na yun. Stop! There you go. Let's try.
Are you sure?
Ayan na siya.
For traveling all the way here in Alabang. Alam ko, lalo ngayon ang sigsag ng traffic. But thank you for your time and we will make sure na uuwi po kayong busog at maalala niyo kami hanggang bukas.
Yes!
Thank you
This
very
is
much.
your salmon course. It's poached salmon with caramelized pineapples and some garlic aioli. With your salmon skin on top and pickled peppers on top.
My husband is so mesmerized by you. He's so mesmerized by you. Because we don't eat pork, kayong dalawa na lang. Really good? You're crunchy! Ours is salmon.
May welcome drinks na. Meron po kami red mango piña.
So, habang naghihintay, yung susunod na course, which is Kilawin. Kilawin is next. I want a paper. You will have to answer.
Is this ampaw, madam?
Gusto mo ba? Kamusta ka ba sa bata?
Do I read?
Yes.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, ngayong 2026, gusto kong pumunta sa... Oh my God. Honestly, nagbabalak akong pumunta next year sa Edinburgh.
Oh, UK. Why?
Okay lang ako.
Hindi, bakit nga?
Hindi kasi parang biglang out of the blue. Biglang
Anong
siya yung
joke?
laman ng TikTok ko.
Ah, okay.
Eh, ang daming magagandang cafes,
Yes,
stores.
and
Eh,
castles.
trip ko.
Oh, okay.
Mga parang Hogwarts, parang medieval na.
Oh, I see.
So, yun.
Lumaki po kami na mahilig kami kumain ng kilawin dahil ang mga tao sa Antipolo mahilig ng inuman. So bilang bata, kinakain namin yan. So this is actually something that it's goes way back since Antipolo days ko saan kami nakatira. So please enjoy. Ang dami ko ng chinika.
Okay. Ano nga ulit yung instruction?
Oo nga, ito na nga yung
So, alala mo, imimix. Mix.
And then what you have to do with the board?
Folded siya. There is a hole
Oh.
So, you mix it.
in the hole.
And put it in the hole. Yes. Galing ni Barbie, natandaan niya yung sinabi ng teacher. Okay. Wow. Galing.
It's very, very good.
I'm sorry, baby. Watermelon. Ang sarap.
Okay. Ngayong 2026, hindi na ako magagalit kapag
Nagagalit ka ba?
pero ano,
Hindi ka pa nakikita.
hindi ako loud. Kasi hindi ako confidential. So pag tahimik ako yun, medyo galit ako.
So, nag-observe ka na.
Yan. Hindi na ako magagalit kapag there's something that doesn't go my way. Whether it be sa work or sa personal life. Kasi nga ano po ako, overthinker, tsaka organized. So pag may mali lang, may konting mali lang na nangyari, parang nakakain na. Naghanda na ako eh, okay na dapat eh, mga ganyan. Pero ngayon,
Napaka-professional niya, napaka-organized niya, napaka... Gusto niya certain lahat ng bagay.
may kasiguraduhan.
Ngayong 2026, hindi na ako magagalit kapag may mga challenges sa family. Sa family. Hindi na ako magagalit, hindi na ako magsasayang ng, alam mo yun, yung mga words na could be hurtful because you want to show that you're always right.
I love it.
May time ka tayo.
Self-growth talaga ang 2020. Who is always right? Ayan na. May umapil ako.
Again, who is always right?
My husband.
Yes. Mr. Right Man.
Yeah.
Pwede. Na-isip.
Never right. As every customer.
No, baby. You're always right. First, it seems like I am right. But in the end, or syempre, always, my husband is always right. So if I am going to advise you how to choose or how to know that the man is the right man for you,
Sige, put alcohol. Sige. Change my mind. Let's make Ngayong 2026, priority ko ang investment.
wow! Alam mo, gusto ko talaga yung maman ka.
I thank you po. Gusto ko din.
Oo. Gusto ko din. Actually, mayaman ka kasi napaka-talented mo. Hindi ka magugutom. Kaya, mayaman.
Ngayon lang. Asa na yun?
Hindi ka naman gutom eh. Patay gutom.
Hindi ka na
Ay na gutom. Patay gutom.
Makes sense.
For next course, lipat naman tayo sa Iloilo. So which, ano nga ba ang national or flagship dish ng Iloilo?
Butcher.
Lapas Batchoy. Eventually, nagkaroon na ng iba't ibang klaseng restaurants showcasing their own versions of Batchoy. Here at Alvitobo, we also have our own version of Batchoy. So, I realized, why not turn your Batchoy into a Xiaolong Bao?
Paano? Sige, describe mo naman.
Andun yung flavor ng lapas batchoy. Pero hindi nawala yung promise ng Xiaolong Bao. May
No.
promise. May promise. Tsaka,
Anong character nung Xiaolong Bawang na...
kontrabida siya dito sa sugar.
Ayun.
Siya ang parang yung mataray na Xiaolong Bao but with a twist. Gawin nating local, gawin nating lapas
Yeah.
batchoy. Very
Within
sophisticated.
something familiar. Sige nga, laki niya na. Ay!
Oh. Oh.
Sabog yan!
Oh, what happened?
Kunin niyo na pong endorser itong batang ito ng maraming restaurant.
Oh, good.
There you go. This one is made out of clam soup or sinuang na halaan sa mais. So it has two types of corn, purple corn and yellow corn. And then the soup base is made from garlic, ginger, and some onions, topped with crispy garlic and shallots, your garlic bill, and some fried noodles.
Beautiful!
I think you love me.
Very good.
My God! Diba? How is it, my love?
Expression na lang. Lagay na lang po natin sa subtitle yung comment.
They're very innovative when it comes to dishes. May mga indigenous tribes, up until now, they still use bamboo to cook, to use it as their plate. That particular dish is really 1:1. So, titira. Hindi nyo na lang po yun. Enjoy!
Whoa! Beautiful!
So, please enjoy!
Thank you! Arte-arte. Galing-galing! Ayun o! Ang ganda-ganda! Sobra! Oh! Pilipino-Pilipino! Oh!
For our next course, so nagaling tayo ng Iloilo, pupunta naman tayo ng Bacolod.
Woo!
Flagship dish of Bacolod. May mga
Inasal! Inasal!
And may mga iba-ibang versions na rin ng inasal. So for Angry Nova's version of inasal, we decided to put 2 proteins on your plate. So it's an pulpo inasal.
Ay, pulpo inasal. Diyos ko, nalilito na ako. Grabe si Judy, ah. Yay, my baby! You have a chicken halal! Thank you, Angry Dobo! How's the experience?
Nakalabata.
Talaga?
First magic.
Your next dessert is actually queso puti cheesecake na bibingka.
Kumusta yan? Hindi.
Please enjoy, and I just want to thank you all again for spending time with us. All of you, thank you for enjoying your dinner. Have fun, take your time, but not too much.
Dear subscribers, again, Happy New Year! I hope you're having a great time. Medyo konting chill lang muna kasi January. Pero hindi talaga ako matatapos sa pag-thank you. Yes! Sa ating silver play button, the Eugene Domingo channel, for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you, YouTube, and most of all, thank you, my dearest subscribers. As I promised, lalo akong na-inspire at lalo akong upload ng mas maraming content, especially yung mga interest ko, tsaka alam kong mapapahappy kayo wherever you are in this world.